What is up, YouTube? I am Howie, and this is the Go Ride channel, where we publish motorcycle videos twice a week about motorcycle topics of every flavor. It is Friday morning, April 20th. I dropped my KDX frame off to Powdercoat on Tuesday of this week, and they told me 7 to 10 days to get it done. So I figured I'd get it at the end of next week. They called yesterday evening and told me it was ready, so Thursday, 2-day turnaround. So we're gonna go ahead and pick it up. So I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but the powder coater is literally like less than 2 miles from my house. So I'm gonna go in and go get this thing. 91 KDX 200. So you probably don't powder coat too many of them.
Nope, we have now though.
Yeah, just the one. That looks good.
Here's your phone.
Awesome. Thank you,
buddy.
guys.
You have a good day, okay?
You too. Alright guys, so there it is. It looks freaking good. Really excited about it. They misquoted me on the phone when I first signed up for this. I thought it was going to be $325. And when I told them it was a 2-piece frame, they thought it was like a Harley with a soft tail. Instead it's just a dirt bike, and so it was $225 plus material, a little bit of tax, so $235. So very pleased so far. I'm gonna have to try to get this thing back together. The issue with getting it back together though is I have no time. So it's Friday the 20th, like I said earlier. Tomorrow morning I've got a little bit of a tournament I'm going to for a specific sport that is not super popular with some people, so I'm not going to say what it is. But I got that in the morning, a company party in the evening, and then Sunday I've got work to do. So I don't know exactly how quickly I'm going to be able to get this thing back together. The other thing that I'm kind of hedging against is just the price of parts, honestly, because I'm going to super bikes this year, and I want to make sure I have the cash to buy the tickets. So just trying to be smart about it, and yeah. Hopefully you guys are having a good Friday and get out there and go ride.